Yeah, guys, after months of lawsuits and back and forth with the county, a summary of facts was submitted to the county today with the hopes of avoiding a trial that would ultimately decide where those books end up in Crawford County libraries.
The ultimate goal is just to move the books back to their original locations in the children's areas. That's all we're asking.
It seems like a simple goal, but it's only been the opposite.
And in the beginning, it felt like there was nothing that we could do to stop this.
Let's go back to the beginning, starting in 2022.
It started with a very small group of anti-LGBTQ activists who were upset that children's books depicting gay characters were available in their children's collection on the shelf with the other books.
Rebecca Verdon is one of the plaintiffs on a lawsuit against Crawford County. She says that throughout 2023, that activist group asked the quorum court to move certain books out of the children's section, and that the court threatened libraries with budget cuts.
We found that they only need 5 JPs to freeze library funding, and that would close down our libraries.
Verdon believes the library director was scared for her job and relocated more than 200 books.
She relocated any books that had gay characters in them and were age appropriate for children out of the children's collection.
Today, a summary of facts was sent to the judge.
We have gone through transcripts, listened to audio of all of this is done on public meetings, reading through documents, reading through emails.
Facts that included what would happen if the censorship continues.
Policies regarding acquisitions and how books are purchased. They were going to be changed or the library would lose its funding.
Verdon says that the county has asked children to give depositions in a trial.
I felt like the county was trying to intimidate us to drop the suit by bringing our children in for depositions. Anyone would be nervous to undergo a deposition, more so for a teenager and young children all the way down to age 4.
Now it's a waiting game to get a summary judgment back from the judge, with the hopes of not going to a trial at all.
The purpose of a library is not to present only materials from one point of view, but multiple points of view.
If the lawsuit does go to trial, that trial will be held in April. I also reached out to the county attorneys today, but was told they weren't allowed to comment on the ongoing lawsuit. Reporting live in Crawford County, Jacob Murphy, 4029 News.